Testing the pH of products ensures they're in sync with the natural pH of our skin, keeping things balanced and groovy.
Welcome to Shufetti Settings. The natural pH of the skin is 4.5 to 5.5. To calculate the pH of your product, you can use pH strips, where you dip the strip into the product, match the color with the color graph to get an idea of the pH. Or use a pH meter, which gives you a digital pH reading. Before you begin to use your pH meter, it needs to be calibrated. This is the Poniie pH 2022 pH meter. It comes with one pH meter, 3 pouches of 6.86 buffer powder, 3 pouches of 4.0 buffer powder, 2 bottles of storage solution, a plastic portable toolkit box, and 1 user manual. You can also download the user manual off their website. Before the first use, put enough storage solution into the cap to cover the sensor and let it soak for 2 hours. Do not store the probe dry or in water. It must be stored in an upright position using the storage solution. Let's prepare the buffer solution. Mix each buffer solution powder into 250 milliliters of water. Only use enough of the buffer solution to cover the probe. You can store the rest of the solution in a glass container in a dark cabinet. I was curious, so I took the pH with the strips and the pH meter. This is the pH reading with the pH strips. Put the sensor into the pH 6.86 solution, submerge completely. Press the CAL button and wait for the ADC value to stabilize. Remove the sensor from the solution, clean the bulb with distilled water, and wipe with a clean tissue paper. Put the sensor into the pH 4.0 solution, press the CAL button and wait for the ADC value to stabilize. When the calibration is complete, it will display END. Thanks for watching.